everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. So today I'm going to show you how to use Jamaican Black Castor Oil for hair growth. So here is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and actually that is from this hair product that we use, and that's the one that we use all the time, the IQ Natural. And the reason why we use it is because it doesn't contain anything but Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and that is what she has been using on her hair.
I have also been using it on my edges, my eyebrows, for my eyebrows to grow, and I also use them on my eyelashes, and it has been working very well, and my eyelashes has started growing. My eyebrows, I've been needing to trim it even more, so yeah, this has really helped my hair grow everywhere.
So this is one thing, this is not a sponsored video, this is a product that we got on Amazon. You can see the link down below in the description area, but let's get started on this video and show you how to use Jamaican Black Castor Oil for hair growth. Now, a lot of people ask me how to grow your hair. What can you use to grow your natural hair? Well, Jamaican Black Castor Oil for super fast hair growth is one way you can do it. So what we're gonna start doing first for our hairstyles, I'm gonna spray our hair with some water. Whenever you use oils and things of that sort, you wanna start off with the hair that has been moisturized with water first. Remember, oils are not moisturizers. So after I put this in our hair, use the oil. You can use Jamaican Black Castor Oil as an oil, or you can actually use it also as a butter. So this is our Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil pure butter, and this oil that we used was the IQ Natural Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So it comes in different scents. The scent we have is original and also lavender. Now what I'm going to do with our hair, this is a very simple style. So I'm going to take my sectioning comb, and I believe I've sectioned it a little bit. She actually sectioned it a little bit. So just section the hair into half. So after sectioning the hair into half, I'm going to take my water and I'll be spraying this. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil is also known as Ricinum communis. I'm going to put it on the screen because I know I just butchered that. So I'm going to take the oil. After spraying the hair with water, you want to take the oil and then you want to put the oil on the scalp like that. And because it's a thick oil, you always want to work it into the scalp, and you don't want to just let it sit on the scalp like that, because it's not going to do anything if it just sits on the scalp like that. So once you let it sit on the scalp, remember it's a very thick oil, so you're going to take your finger and just run your finger through it like that. Okay, once you run your finger through it, use your finger to smoothen it in there. Now also, if you're styling the hair, you can use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil to smoothen the hairs. You can use the pure butter to smoothen the edges and lay your edges. You can use the pure butter to smoothen the edges and lay your edges. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to spray our edges. Also, you can work this oil and dilute this oil with other oils. So I've already diluted the oil with other oils right over here, and I diluted it with olive oil, and that's what is in here. So you can just take that and dispense it through the hair, massage the hair. So after I do this, I'm going to take my snappy. This is my hair snappy. You can get details of this in the description area, and also get discount codes in the description area. So I'm going to take my snappy and I'm going to take the hair and I'm just going to pack it together. This is the pure butter. This is going to act as my hair grease. So this is like using the Blue Magic hair grease. But I'm going to put this along the edges because this actually lays the hair really well. So just put it along the edges, and I'm going to get my hairbrush and just brush it. Tie, and we're just going to tie it down like that. One suggestion I would say is that if you're going to use this a lot, be very careful, because Jamaican Black Castor Oil has a way of attracting dirt just because it's so thick and everything wants to hang on it. So after I do this, if you want this to lay, as you can see, the hair, it's really laying the edges right over there. You can see our edges is well laid. See that? So just wear a scarf over it to get it to even lay more. So you see, we have no gel on the hair, and this is just laying the hair so well. So what other thing must you know about Jamaican Black Castor Oil? You can also take Jamaican Black Castor Oil and you can also add it to your shampoo. Yes, you can add it to your shampoo. You can use it for hot oil treatment. You can add it to your deep conditioner. Click that link over there to see how you can make a deep conditioner with Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's so beneficial and you will not regret it. One thing I would suggest to you is the ends of the hair always gets dry so easily. So using Jamaican Black Castor Oil to seal in the ends of the hair will help prevent the hair from breaking so much. So I'm just going to take some of the butter. You can also use the oil, and I'm just going to put some of it to the ends of the hair to kind of let it just seal in that ends, and then just take the ends of the hair, gonna put it up. I said I'm gonna do a bun and just tuck that into itself like this, and we're just gonna tuck it into itself into the snappy, and that keeps it all moisturized and all lubricated. This is such a simple style, and this works really well for her because she's always so busy. But to jazz it up, you guys know how much we love headbands in this house. So I can put a headband over the hair like that, and because the hair is already moisturized, all you just have to do is just push back the headband. And this headband, we got it from a dollar store. So just take it and put it in the center, and it looks so cute, and that is the look. If you guys ever want to try Jamaican Black Castor Oil, we do have the details in the description area. We have where you can find it for such an affordable price. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and guess what? We're going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.